Today we'll talk about the Spanish verb aumentar. Aumentar. Do you know this one? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is a verb. The Spanish verb of the day is aumentar. Aumentar. This Spanish verb means to increase. It's that easy. This verb is regular. If you want to know how to conjugate regular Spanish verbs, click here. Now let's see a few examples using this verb. El precio de la comida aumenta cada año. El precio de la comida aumenta cada año. La temperatura aumenta más y más. La temperatura aumenta más y más. Vamos a aumentar los seguidores en este canal. Vamos a aumentar los seguidores en este canal. Los impuestos aumentan constantemente. Los impuestos aumentan constantemente. No quiero que la pobreza aumente en el mundo. No quiero que la pobreza aumente en el mundo. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave more examples down below using aumentar. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!